Hey, there'll be no screaming in here.
You gotta state your name on this video. Here, get in the light.
She's like, what the fuck?
Les, can you take my camera? No.
Oh, he ain't gonna let it go. He wants to eat it.
Leave over there. Over there. I can only get in the fridge. Leave over there.
Dude.
Go that way.
Alright, this is Phil Schaefer, and this is fucking Cicada eating 101.
Schaefer, go over that way. Go. No. Oh, God, please don't. Oh, fuck my life. No.
What's the problem? What the fuck's the problem, huh? What's the matter, man? Oh, shit! He's funny. Ow! Shit! What's going on, man? You here for the party?
You just gonna eat that thing? No. No.
Hey!
Was it good?
Fuck yeah! Fuck, you kidding me? It's fucking a delicacy, man. It's like morel mushrooms, man. You guys are missing out.